let's do a short and sweet tapping to receive a $1 million idea or ideas that will open you up to new avenues of income. We're going to release resistance to receiving money and invite in inspiration from the universe, the creator, the source. And if you want to learn how to receive money from the quantum field and dissolve all money blocks, get my Quantum Money Manifesting Bundle at the link at the top of my page. There are 4 powerful tapping activations and a guided visualization to manifest opulence and luxury. It's literally less than $100. You want to get in on that right now. All right, let's begin tapping on the eyebrow point. I'm open to receiving ideas from the universe. I'm open to feeling inspired. I've been feeling blocked from receiving ideas. And I've been feeling stuck. But it's okay. Because I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. I'm a creative being. And I'm choosing to tap into my creative nature now. I release all blocks to inspiration. I release the belief that I'm not creative. I'm dissolving all creative blocks. And I'm welcoming in $1 million inspiration. I'm open to receiving $1 million ideas now. I'm open to new and creative ideas. $1 million ideas are flowing into my being now. I'm embracing the flow of these $1 million ideas. I'm open to creative inspiration. I believe in my ability to receive $1 million ideas now. I'm so inspired by everything around me. I'm open to the flow of ideas now. I trust in my higher self and the universe to provide $1 million ideas to me now. I'm so grateful for the flow of these $1 million ideas. I'm open to innovative ideas. Opening myself up to creative inspiration. I trust in the universe to inspire me. I'm receiving my $1 million idea right now. The more I tap, the more clear it becomes. I'm open to limitless possibilities. I'm a magnet to these $1 million ideas. They keep coming to me. My $1 million idea is here now. And I'm so confident in myself. I'm so confident in my ability to execute these ideas. I'm taking inspired action for my $1 million ideas now.